Look at the world around you. You are surrounded by math. You see math everywhere you go. At the grocery store, at the gas station, at sporting events, in nature, in art, in everything you see. Math plays an important role in your everyday life. Sports, such as basketball, use something called stats that are dependent on knowing math. In today's lesson, we are going to use basketball stats for free throws to learn about fractions, decimals, and percents. Let's begin by counting how many free throws Joe can make. Joe made 12 out of 20 free throws. We write that as a fraction, 12 over 20, or 12/20ths. Then we want to find a percentage, which means out of 100. So we need to create an equivalent fraction with 100 as the denominator, or bottom number. We determine that we must multiply 20 by 5 to get 100. So to find the numerator, the top number, we must multiply 12 by 5. And we get 60 as the numerator. Our equivalent fraction is 60 over 100, or 60 out of 100. Now when you have a fraction with 100 as the denominator, the numerator becomes the stat. 60 is our numerator that can be written in two forms, a decimal and a percent. As long as you have 100 as the denominator, this will always be true. We can change the fraction to a decimal by dividing the numerator by the denominator. 60 divided by 100 equals 0.60, or 60 hundredths, and 60 hundredths becomes 60%. Now, pause the video and figure out what Joe's fraction, decimal, and percent are for the number he missed. Hint: subtract the free throws that he made from how many he threw. Did you get 8 out of 20, or 8/20ths? The equivalent fraction is 40 out of 100. That becomes 40 hundredths, or 0.40, and 40%. Awesome job! Congratulations! You have earned your basketball stats badge. As with basketball, the more you practice, the better you will get. So keep practicing your math skills, and you will do great.